Hello,
Hello, teacher.
my name is Teacher Alfie. What's your name?
I'm June.
Okay, John. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
6 years old? Wow. Where is number six, John? This one? Good job. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Where is Vietnam? Yes. Okay, very good. John, tell me what color is this?
Red,
Red. This one.
blue,
This.
green,
Green. Okay, now John, tell me what letter is this?
T,
This one.
I,
A.
D, E,
Okay, very good. John, tell me, what's this?
apple,
Apple is for? Where? Wow, A, excellent. Now, what is that?
elephant,
Elephant. Elephant is for?
E,
E, very good. What is that?
hat,
Hat is for?
and
H.
H,
John, sit nicely. Okay, H, very good. Now, what is this?
cat,
Cat is for?
C,
C. Now, what's that?
bull,
Ball is for?
B,
B. And what's that?
rubber,
Robot is for?
R,
R. Letter R. Very good, John. What's this?
yellow,
Yellow is for? Letter Y.
white,
Y. What's this?
lion,
Tiger.
tiger,
Tiger is for? Letter T.
T,
Okay, letter T. What is that?
octopus,
Octopus is for?
R,
Oh, letter O. Wow, job well done. What's this, John?
sun,
How do you spell sun? S
S,
S U.
U, A,
Okay. What's this?
monkey,
Spell monkey. M
M, O, M,
N
M,
K.
K, E, Y,
Wow. This
fox,
fox. Spell fox.
E,
F
F, O,
X.
H,
Okay, very good. Now let's write some letters. So what's this?
E,
Igloo. This one.
Z, Z, tiger,
Lion.
lion,
Okay, lion. Now, John, can you write lion? Right? Lion. Mhm. This one. Okay. Oh. Oh. Wow. Mhm. Oh, beautiful. Very good. Now let me show this to the camera. Ta-da! Oh, job well done. Very good. Goodbye.